Ngi pidyang sungguh pi boro syakanika channel kejongi ban hakanika video ke bamtas ngi in pe ikin ki post ke balai thamai apo nehu. Teka department jongka agri businesses management and food technology jongka nehu kapalai ikin ki post bat ki kerteng jong ki post kidai junior research fellow JRF bat ka senior research fellow SRF. Kelas date dan nika tarik ke bakado bapila ban submit yiki application ki jongpi kadai hau khat ar tarik bana Julai arajar arpoi ka tulap jongka JRF kadai lai phoi hajar pinyo robot ka HRA lenika house rent allowance haki arsnam hadir bapila join ya kanika JRF ka tulap jongka SRF pat kadai lai pusan hajar bat pinyo ru ya ka HRA lenika house rent allowance yaka senam ke balai bat kani kadai tangi kituki net bat gate candidates ka educational qualification lani ka jingdan kam hagi jingpule kalangkumne piapan yo first class haka MSc lani ka MTech lani ka ME haka food engineering bat technology lani chemical engineering lani food science bat technology lani agriculture process engineering lani bioprocess engineering bat kuwi subject ki bayaha kin kam ai preference ba yagitu ki badan experiences haka food research laboratory lani national level laboratory lani field level work bat ki banang ban pen dan kam yaka Microsoft Office bat kuwi dia ki statistical tools yaka science bat ka technology yakitu ki bakwa ban apply yakanika JRF lanika SRF yaban pa yaki application form ki jongpi bat ru ki self attested photocopies jong ki mark sheets certificates jong ka class 10 bat chaneng bat kwi de ki testimonials kum ki experience certificate lada pidan syakanika email address kepada ka sashi.biofoodster@gmail.com syuaka khat ar tarek banai Julai arajar arphoi itu ki candidates ki ba syajit kin sasyak khot nakabenta ka interview kaban long online lene offline haka khatsan tarik banai Julai arajar arphoi ka official notification kabala palai hidakan nehu ngala ai hapo description jangka video tela dapi ko abun tip susu spang wiki details philaban download ya ka PDF bat philaban pulihi nang to